Every programming adventure usually begins with a Hello World program. Sadly, the Hypecode Playground is no different. Each time you visit the playground, you'll see that the app has automatically made a very basic program for you. Instead of Hello World, this program says, "Welcome to the Hypecode Playground." If the blocks in this starter program are too small to see, or if you want to center them in the workspace, you can use the tools on the right, here, to enlarge and center the blocks. Still, this starter program isn't very original or helpful, and so the first thing we need to do is clear the workspace so we can write our own program. You can do this in several ways. Firstly, you could just click the Clear Workspace button here. You could also select the blocks by clicking on them directly and going Delete. A third and maybe more useful way is to drag the blocks you don't want into the trash can, like this. Putting them in the trash like this means that they are gone from the workspace, but you can get them back if you need to by opening the trash can and dragging them back onto the workspace. Once you have a blank workspace, it's time to write some new code. You do that by dragging code blocks out of the toolbox on the left. These code blocks are grouped into categories of related blocks. You can click on each category to see all the code blocks available. Once you see an appropriate code block, simply drag it onto the workspace to include it in your program, like this. For our first program, I'm just going to reproduce a version of that Hello Playground program we saw earlier. To do this, we only need 2 code blocks. If you look in the final output category at the bottom of the toolbox, you'll see a code block called Alert. Let's drag that into the workspace. Notice how doing this has automatically added some code to the code pane over here. This code block launches a simple user dialog that includes some text and a cancel button. Currently, that dialog doesn't say anything, so we need to add some text to our program. We can do that by going to the text category in the toolbox and dragging out a text field, like this. Once that text field is docked to the alert dialog, we can type in the message we want the user to see. I'm going to type in something original. As I do this, you can see the code pane is being updated automatically. Now the only thing left to do is to run our program. We do this by clicking the Run button here. Once we do that, we see a simple dialog pop up with our HypeRocks message. We can click the Close button on this dialog to dismiss it. And that's it. We've written our first JavaScript program in the playground and proven it works as expected.